What if I tell you you can build a ChatGPT like AI chatbot inside Laravel using OpenAI in just a few steps? So in this video, I will show you how to integrate OpenAI ChatGPT into Laravel step by step. So what you will learn by the end of this video. What is OpenAI? How to get an OpenAI API key? How to connect OpenAI with Laravel? And how to make your first AI API request. Before starting this project, we need to know how to install Laravel and Laravel routes, controller, everything. We will cover installation also in this video, but if you know, then it will be easier for you. So now the next is, what is OpenAI? So OpenAI is also a AI platform. So we can use OpenAI for chatbot, like if you ask anything and they will answer to your question. Content generation, code assistant. So if you want any code, like if you want a registration form, login form, anything if you want, so you can just write your query. OpenAI will give the answer. Today we will focus only ChatGPT integration with Laravel. So first of all, we need to create a OpenAI account. So for this, we need to go openai.com and create a free account or login if you have already one. And after login, go to view API keys, click on create new secret key and copy it. You don't share the key with anyone. So let's go in browser and we will create a OpenAI account. So in Google, you need to write OpenAI. Just open this link and log in it to your Gmail ID. So I am going to log in with my Gmail account. So you can see I am successfully logging into OpenAI. I will click on this API keys and there I will get my API key. So new, you need to create a new secret key. Okay. Laravel chatbot. Okay. And project name is default. And now I'm going to create this. So you can see there is a secret key. So you need to just copy this and you can we will use this in our Laravel project. So now let's go in our CMD. So in CMD, this is the project folder where I am going to create a Laravel project. So I'm just going to write composer create project Laravel / Laravel, and after that need to write a Laravel project name, whatever you want. So Laravel chatbot. So I am just going to hit the enter and this command will create a Laravel project, a fresh new Laravel project. Sorry, the spelling mistake, composer. Okay. So now I'm going to hit the enter. So you can see the Laravel application is successfully installed in our system. So now we need to open this project in CMD. So just we need to go to CD, need to go to inside this folder, CD Laravel chatbot. Inside this folder, or now I will open this project inside the VS Code. So you need to write this. If you want to open the current folder in VS Code, so you need to write code space dot. Okay, hit enter, and this command will open your project inside the VS Code. Open. So now I am going to create a variable in env. Just paste out the secret key which I have generated here. So just copy this. I am going to paste it here. Open AI API underscore key, and then going to store this value. Okay. So now I am going to create a new file inside config openai.php. So now I am going to create a config file for this inside the config folder. Open. It will be in a small open ai.php. Okay. And inside this, I'm just going to write some code like return API underscore key, and that will store env this variable OpenAI API key. Okay, need to start PHP also, and I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, so this code make your env API key reusable. So now I'm going to create a controller inside this in my VS Code. So to create a controller, the command is php artisan make controller, and controller name is OpenAI, open OpenAI OpenAI controller. Okay, going to hit the enter, and now this is created inside your app HTTP and this one. So our controller is ready now. In this video, we are just going to test the API. So we are going to just only to test this. The API is running or not. So for this, we need to create a function public. With the help of HTTP, we will call the OpenAI API. So public function test. I'm going to write a function, and here I will call the HTTP. So for this, we need to use we need to write alumnite. Okay, so now inside the test, we will call the API with the help of HTTP. So with the help of HTTP, so I'm going to use HTTP with header function. Inside this headers, I'm just going to pass the parameter. So inside this parameter in array, I'm going to pass the authorization. Inside config OpenAI, the folder name AI.API key, and this will be application and JSON. To call this post. So inside this post, I'm just going to write the URL. Okay, so you can go to API references. So you can see the authorization bearer open API key, which we have already written there. Bearer open API key. Okay, authorization, and after that you need to this URL. So I'm just going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it here. Completion, and after the completion, I think only this model we need to pass inside this. So after this, inside the array, we need to pass this model ChatGPT want. So you can use ChatGPT 5 Nano, and after that you need to pass an array. Inside that you need to pass message also. Sorry, a model should be in single quotes. I have copied from JavaScript, so that's why there is colon, but we are writing in PHP, so we need to write this, and here we need to create a role. Role is user. Store this inside the there is one variable response return dollar response. Okay, we need to create a route also inside web.php. You need to write a route also. So route get AI test. Okay, and the second parameter will be uh, OpenAI controller, OpenAI. You can copy paste the controller name, colon, class, and need to write the function name. So my function name is test. This code is only for to connect the OpenAPI with our Laravel application. I'm going to set some headers, authorization, content type on the URL, and model also I have defined, and a message. API is ready. So now my code is perfect. So now it's time to test the code. And before you need to test the code, so we need to start our server, PHP artisan serve. So now a server is open, and now you need to write uh, this one AI test. So this AI test will call this API, whatever. So now a API is calling. So you exceeded your current quota. Please check your plan and billing detail for more information on this error. So this is not a error message. This message is coming from Open API server due to you don't have a paid account, because OpenAI is not providing any free trial version or something like that. So that's why this error is coming. So if you have any paid plan, then you will get the success response. Otherwise, it will give you this error message. So this is not error message. This response is coming from OpenAI. So your API is working fine. So in next video, I will use a paid account, and then I will show you when you send any message. So like a ChatGPT. So OpenAI ChatGPT is also OpenAI, but this is web version ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is free, but if you are using API in your website, so in API there is no free version. So that's why it's this message is coming. So don't worry, your API is working. So our today agenda is fulfilled. We have successfully configured the OpenAI in our Laravel application. So if this video is helpful for you, so please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel, Start Coding Class, and hit the bell icon to get latest updated video from my channel. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.